Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can delete the existing API key in ReqRes. Okay, just click on get free API key and you can click on create free API key here. If you go down, so there is already a key created on 30th January 2026. It was read only, and here you get something called delete. Just click on delete. So it will say, are you sure you want to delete this API key? This action cannot be undone. Click on OK. That's it. This key is now deleted. Okay. If you want another key, you can create another key, but the API key which was created previously, that was deleted. Now let us run the same API key which we previously used for ReqRes, the API key which we have stored here. API key, and also we have given some body here which is name and job test. Let us see whether I'll be able to create a user or not. Okay, let me click on send. See, you'll get 403 forbidden because the access key which was added previously, I deleted that, and the functionality is if you have the same API key, you will be not able to create a user. Error says invalid key, the API key is not recognized or revoked. Check the API key is correct or not expired, etc. etc. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.